Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'm come up with a very interesting video. Usually people tell me that their lipstick does not last longer, like थोड़ा कुछ खा लिया तो lipstick smudge हो जाता है, निकल जाता है. So what is the solution to it? Let me show you step by step how you can make your lipstick last longer than usual, at least for a whole day. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So the first and most primary step of doing any kind of makeup is exfoliation and moisturizing. So I'll be using the Serenite Face Lip Oil. It's not necessary that you need to use any essential oil or something on your lips. You can even use Vaseline or any kind of lip cream that you have. It's not compulsory to use an essential oil. So the next step will be applying your lipstick the way you normally do. I'm using the Huda Beauty Matte Lipstick. If you find it difficult to apply your lipstick in a proper shape, use a lip liner first, draw out your lip and then fill it in with your liquid or cream lipstick. So our next step to make this lipstick last longer is take a sheet of tissue paper, make sure that it's thin and use a little bit of loose powder. Take a brush, dip it in the loose powder. Keep the tissue paper on your lips. You'll see a difference that it goes from glossy to matte after doing this step. That is the initiative behind this step, to make it look matte, also to make it stay. As I mentioned in my earlier videos that any cream product that you use, it needs to be set with a powder. So this is the essential step. If you're using a cream product like lipstick, it needs to be set with a powder product like loose powder. This step will make your lipstick last longer, and if you think that the lipstick has gone too matte, you can apply another layer of lipstick on top of this. This will make your lipstick last for at least 24 hours and you can be carefree of drinking any drinks or eating anything that you want. Your lipstick won't smudge. So if you guys liked this tiny lip hack, you can comment down below what other makeup hacks that you would like to see. Also like, share and subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Instagram, Foxy Makeup Tips, and follow me on Instagram, Simboart. Thank you.